Hi guys, Miss H here, creator of Meg's Music Room. Today's recorder sprint is taps. Now this one has a fermata at the end of each little phrase. So for right now, play it with my tempo, but then when you do it on your own, you can be a little bit more free with your rhythm. So let's go ahead and get started. All I will do is give you 1, 2, 3, and then we start. 1, 2, 3. One, two, three. So that was taps. I hope that helps you out. Check out my other recorder sprints and my recorder tennis lessons. Check out my music minutes. Check out the links in the description below for my social media sites and for other great resources. And don't forget, Meg's Music Room, a music teacher's best friend.